Hello.
Like so.
Good.
Ling panahon ng ulam na ito, mapaulan o umaraw sa
My love, can you cook for me this?
nag-isa lang ako dyan ng bawang at ng sibuyas.
Are you-
Tatlong minutes
Do you like pork? Pork
Yes,
soup?
I like.
What is that?
Nilagang baboy. Nilagang baboy.
Really? You like it?
Yes.
So, lagyan natin yung baboy. Pero, bawal si Bisay na patis. Bisay is not allowed to eat seafood. So, since patis is fish oil, bawal sa kanya yun.
Hello.
What is this?
Tinula? Tinula?
Nilagang baboy. Nilagang baboy. It's good now. You can eat, bro. You can eat now, bro. So, yo, what's up, gang? This I will try the nilaga. You know, I like so. Soup.
Good. Good.
Try to eat little vegetables. Do you eat vegetables?
Mhm.
Sarap. Kain tayo, my love.
Kain down.
And then let's eat. You want me to turn on the electric fan? No? Do it. Wow! You finish your food. What the? He likes the food that I cook. Even if I don't ask her, like even if I don't ask her, do you like the food? I know that if he likes the food, or she didn't like the food, because if she doesn't like the food, she will not eat it all. She will say to me that she's finished. But right now, look at that. So, even if I didn't ask, do you like the food? I know the answer. It's finished. Come on. Malakas kumakain si Kabayan. Kabayan is a heavy eater. God is, I'm just joking.